Here's a quick guide on how to set up your Coleman Tenaya Lake fast pitch 8-person cabin with closet. First, make sure your campsite is level and there are no sticks or rocks. It's not a good idea to set your tent up under a tree. Lay your tent out flat. Then find the door. Now you can move the tent until the door is placed where you'd like it. Now assemble all the poles by unfolding and interlocking the pole sections. Connect the poles to the roof pole hub. Match the colors on the connectors to attach leg poles to roof poles accordingly. Insert the leg poles into the fast fit feet. After the frame is complete, attach the tent to the leg poles using the clips. Insert the poles for the door in the corner hinge plates. Zip the door frame in on the back side of the door flap. To create the closet, slide the short crossbar pole into the sleeve under the fly. Connect the curved ends of the closet poles to the crossbar. Then insert the pins into the pole ends and attach the clips. You can secure the tent by pushing the stakes through the rings at each corner and into the ground. Finish by attaching the rain fly. Drape it over the tent, then connect the rings with S-hooks to the corner and center poles. Secure the rain fly with hook and loop straps located on the underside of the rain fly. Attach and stake out the Alumaline reflective guy lines, which are the cords attached to the outside of the rain fly. Adjust the sliders to make sure the guy lines are tight. To take down the tent, follow the previous steps in reverse order.
At Core, we make getting outside more comfortable and less complicated. The ample headroom and straightforward setup of our 6-person dome tent does just that. To set up camp, assemble the 2 large tent poles and slide them through opposite ceiling sleeves, creating an X in the center of the tent. Arc the poles and insert the pin and loop at each corner. Then attach the pole clips on all 4 sides. For rain protection, drape the water-resistant rain fly over the tent. Place the plastic hook around the metal floor ring. Stabilize your tent by pushing the stakes through the ground loops at a 45-degree angle. Guy out the tent and tighten the slack adjuster. Now it's time to step back, relax, and enjoy the view. Core, outdoor more.
When you get the chance to get outdoors, make the most of it. Camp in confidence and comfort in a Kodiak Canvas FlexBow tent. Wherever you make camp, from the hot deserts to the frigid mountains, be it summer or winter, you can depend on a Kodiak Canvas tent to stand up to the elements. Setting up the FlexBow tent is quick and easy and can be done by just one person. The FlexBow tent has a sturdy frame made with 1-inch steel tubing and solid spring rods made with high tensile spring steel. All Kodiak Canvas tents use top-of-the-line materials and components. Our FlexBow tents are made with premium-grade HydraShield 100% cotton duck canvas. The tight weave and silicone finish make the canvas watertight yet breathable, minimizing condensation and mugginess. Unlike canvas tents of years past, our canvas will not wick water. Watertight and breathable means you stay more comfortable. This rugged tent will also hold up to strong winds and even snow loads. Seams are double stitched and corners are reinforced for added strength. The high-quality zippers will withstand demanding use, and the floor is a heavy-duty, puncture-resistant 16-ounce vinyl that keeps water out. The solid steel 12-inch stakes are ideal for hard or even rocky ground. Not only are these tents well made, they're loaded with lots of great features. Large D-shaped doors front and back offer easy access, while the high ceilings and steep sidewalls provide stand-up, walk-around comfort. Large windows zip open or shut from the inside and allow one to really open the tent up. Funnel flow vents improve airflow and ventilation, helping with temperature management. Zip them open or shut. The gear loft makes a handy place to store items off the floor. It can be used in attic or sling mode, while pocket organizers are useful to store small items. A large awning not only provides shade, when it's stormy it provides a covered entry and also allows you to open the front windows without the worry of rain getting in. When it's time to go, nothing beats the strap and cinch storage bag. Just roll the tent up, then fold the bag around the tent and cinch it closed. The importance of a good shelter is often overlooked. It is one of the most crucial items of gear to ensure an enjoyable outing. If you're serious about the outdoors, isn't it time you had a serious tent?
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.